Hi everyone, Pamela Alexander, BizLinks TV, still on location. Things are wrapping up here with the Women Business Builder Boot Camp, but we still are catching some attendees, and we want to grab Felicia Phillips, and she is with Pink Power. Tell everyone about Pink Power.
Sure. So Pink Power Conference is at Phillips Arena. It's August 14th and 15th, and we're excited because this is about collaboration. So many times as business owners, we don't realize the importance of collaborating with other businesses to take our brand or our product to the next level. So we're going to teach you how to do that, but this is not just for entrepreneurs, it's also for women in the workplace. So we have deliverables for both.
Okay, yes. Now that's something I look forward to, because one thing I always say is collaboration is better than competition. So people always focus on competition, and there's so many people that are doing the same thing that you can collaborate with. It sounds like it'll be a great place to meet some people that you may not know of that'll be free.
Well, that's the whole purpose. The first day, our host hotel is the Marriott Marquis. So the first day, we're going to get you ready before we even put you inside of it. We're going to do some speed networking. We're going to help you not just get an elevator pitch, but to take what you do, customize it in just small amounts so that you can get in front of different people, hundreds, possibly thousands. Right?
So this is a multi-day event.
Oh, it is. It's 2 days. And we even have a matchmaking where you can present your business to corporations at the conference based on what you do.
Yeah. For everyone, you all do not want to miss this. Tell everyone how they get in touch with you and how they can find out more about the conference.
You can find more about Pink Power online at www.pinkpowerconference.com. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for joining us. Everyone, let's connect.